Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see about the Canva Sheets overview of your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show about the Canva Sheets overview on the computer. So you just need to have this option called Sheets. It's a new thing. Just click on this to create it. So after clicking on the sheet, you can see it's actually loading. It's look like a Canva sheets, which look like a normal sheets like Google Sheets and Excel like that. Okay, so here we can just normally use the toolbar on the top to make it. What are the changes you can just easily make it here, and click on the action button. Here you can find a table and more options like date, drop down menu, and formulas and magic formulas, whatever you just need. The other wish, the text elements like photos or graphics, and the choose and uploading the photos and also the tools you can just make it for the drawing options and your projects. Everything can be used as usual like a Canva. So this is the basic overview that you can just use it. You can see the pages on the bottom. So you can just use the grid view. You can just add pages like this and you can just use it. It's simple. You can just use it like other things. So you can just upload your work and you can just easily edit it by using the Canva Sheets. It's new. Try this and follow for the more videos to continue this tutorial in this playlist. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.